Tired of city traffic? Dealing with crowded commutes? Wish you could take your bike on the train or just stash it neatly under your desk? Meet the folding bike, the ultimate solution for urban life. Small in size, but huge in performance, these compact cycles are redefining the daily commute, offering an unbeatable combination of speed, convenience, and portability. Product number 1. Exercise Bike Experience. Exercise Bike. Upgraded exercise bike and reliable brand. After years of research, Winokur released this upgraded exercise bike. It has thicker, heavy-duty aluminum steel construction and updated 7-shaped front handlebar post knob, which makes sure the exercise bike sits firmly on the floor so it won't rock or wobble while you ride. Sleek black and red styling will look chic in your home or workout space. More stable, quiet, and smooth. Unlike the deceptive bikes online that are with a noisy iron sand flywheel, this indoor bike inertia-enhanced flywheel maintains a quiet, smooth motion, without the problem of a belt pulley breaking, a belt falling off, belt debris falling. Product number 2. Zizo Via 20-inch folding bike, lightweight aluminum frame. Genuine Shimano 7-speed 26-pound. Experience Zizo Via 20-inch folding bike, lightweight aluminum frame, genuine Shimano 7-speed 26-pound. Lightweight aluminum frame, folds in seconds and is easy to carry, so you never need to leave it outside. Genuine Shimano components with 7 speeds and grip-style shifter. Lightweight aluminum frame, folds in seconds and is easy to carry, so you never need to leave it outside. Genuine Shimano components with 7 speeds and grip-style shifter. Easy single folding aluminum alloy stem. May not be suitable for all product users. Some users might prefer different features. Product number 3. Ravemen FR500 bike front light for night daytime riding. Ravemen FR500 bike front light for night daytime riding. Urban night riding light. Equipped with 2 high brightness LEDs providing up to 500 lumens of solid mode, FR500 bike light offers a stable source for road cycling, daily commuting, and city rides. It supports lighting while charging, meeting your riding needs from dawn to night. Daytime flashing for visibility. Features 6 lighting modes with 3 flashing options for daytime safety, reaching up to 500 lumens with a wide 270-degree viewing angle. The LED bicycle light keeps you visible to vehicles and pedestrians from the front and sides, with high lumen penetration helping you get noticed under any sunlight. Product number 4. Schwinn Fastback Adult Performance Road Bike. Experience Schwinn Fastback Adult Performance Road Bike, designed for beginner to intermediate riders who want to start pushing themselves further and faster than they ever have before. Suggested rider height range: 4 feet 1 inch to 5 feet 3 inches. Schwinn road tuned, enlightened, gold triple-butted aluminum road frame and aluminum fork with aluminum steerer. Product number 5. Avasta Uranus 700C road hybrid bike, lightweight aluminum alloy frame with 24-speed gearing for city commuting, rear cargo rack. Aluminum frame. The Avasta Uranus City Bike Series adopts lightweight aluminum frames, which not only ensures the structural strength of the bike, but also brings great convenience to urban commuting. The Uranus series comes in 2 sizes of frames, 44 centimeters and 50 centimeters. Shimano 24 speed. The specially tuned Shimano shifter and rear derailleur can provide up to 24 levels of speed regulation,